Understanding audience feedback is critical in the media industry. And this movie review sentiment analysis tool provides an automated way to gauge viewer emotions instantly. Manually sorting through thousands of reviews is time-consuming and prone to human error, making an intelligent classification system essential for high-volume data. This project solves that problem by providing a streamlined interface where users can input text and receive an immediate sentiment prediction. The demo begins at the sentiment analysis dashboard, where we can choose from several machine learning models, including Logistic Regression, Naive Bayes, and SVC. After typing a positive review about a movie's length and enjoyment, the system accurately predicts a positive sentiment. Next, we test a negative review, and while some models struggle with the nuance, the SVC classifier correctly identifies the negative tone. Finally, we look behind the scenes at the Google Colab environment, where the data is processed, vectorized, and trained to ensure maximum accuracy across different algorithms. The system is built on a robust tech stack, utilizing the IMDb movie review dataset for training. We use Scikit-learn for model development, implementing a variety of algorithms including Logistic Regression, Naive Bayes, XGBoost, and SVC. For text processing, we integrated a TF-IDF vectorizer to convert raw text into meaningful numerical data, ensuring the models can effectively learn and predict sentiment.